Welcome back to Standard 7 Biology class. In today's class, we'll begin the fifth chapter, Human Body, the Excretory System. In this chapter, you will learn mainly about excretion in human beings, the parts of the human excretory system, and common disorders of the urinary system. In our body, various metabolic activities are taking place. And as a result of these metabolic activities, many waste substances are produced. Most of these waste substances are toxic, that means which contain poison, and if it is allowed to accumulate inside the body, it can be harmful to the body. So, it is necessary that these unwanted waste products has to be removed from the body. The waste products are removed from the body through the process of excretion. So, excretion is the process by which metabolic waste are removed from the body of an organism. Different organisms have different organs for excretion. The human body also has different organs that remove different waste products from the body. We'll see which are those organs which remove the waste products from the body. So, lungs, skin, kidneys and liver are the organs which remove different waste products from the body. Let's see what is the role of lungs in the process of excretion. During respiration, glucose is broken down in the body cells to produce waste in the form of carbon dioxide and water. You have studied the process of respiration in the previous chapter. So, the carbon dioxide which is produced as a result of respiration has to be removed from the blood by the lungs. And from the lungs, the carbon dioxide is exhaled out. So, lungs help in removing carbon dioxide from the body. The next organ is skin. Skin contains numerous sweat glands and oil glands. The sweat glands secrete sweat, which is a mixture of water, sodium salts, and nitrogenous waste such as urea. Sweat is excreted through sweat pores which is present in the skin. The oil glands, which is also present in the skin, secrete a fatty substance which is called as sebum. It is also released to the skin surface. Sweating is very important as it helps to regulate the body temperature and keeps the body cool. Another organ which helps in the process of excretion is liver. In the liver, as a result of protein digestion, a toxic substance called ammonia is produced from amino acid. Since it is a toxic substance, it is soon converted into urea. Urea is then transported into the kidneys through the blood, and from there it will be excreted. Liver also secretes a liquid called as bile juice. Bile juice contains bile pigment, which are the excretory products from the breakdown of hemoglobin of old and worn out red blood cells. Bile pigments pass into the duodenum, which is a part of the small intestine, for removal from the body along with the fecus. The main excretory organ is kidneys. The nitrogenous waste known as urea, it is a byproduct of protein digestion, along with inorganic salts and water are excreted from the body through the kidneys. Other than excretion, kidneys also help in maintaining a balance between salt and water content in the body. This process of maintaining the balance between salt and water in the body is called as osmoregulation. So, kidneys not only remove the waste from the body, it also helps to maintain the salt and water balance. That process is called as osmoregulation. So, which are the organs that remove waste products from the body? Lungs, skin, kidneys and liver. Lungs help to remove carbon dioxide, which is produced as a result of respiration from the body. Skin remove the waste from the body in the form of sweat. Sweat contains water, sodium salts, and nitrogenous waste such as urea. Kidneys help to remove the nitrogenous waste urea along with inorganic salts and water. Other than excretion, kidneys also help in maintaining a balance between salt and water content in the body. This process is called osmoregulation. The excretory role of liver is formation of urea from excess amino acid. The urea is transported to kidney through blood from where it is excreted. Liver also produces bile, which are the excretory products from the breakdown of hemoglobin of old and worn out red blood cells. Bile pigments pass into the duodenum for removal from the body along with fecus. With this, we come to the end of today's class. The remaining part of the chapter will be discussed in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.